Hi, my name is Alexander Anna Robert from class K2T3. For today, I will be presenting about potassium. So, potassium was discovered on 1807 by Sir Humphry Davy. Potassium was first found in the dust of burnt plants. Sir Humphry Davy discovered by experimented with potash. Potash is a mixture of substances made from the ash of burnt plants soaked in water. The name potassium comes from potash, but the element's chemical symbol is K, which is taken from kalium, a Latin word for ash. Potassium is never found poor in nature, but it's present in minerals such as apatite and sulfides. From this diagram 19, we presented its proton number. K is the symbol, potassium is the name, and atomic weight is 39.098 gram per mole. As we know, number of protons for potassium is 19. Therefore, the electronic configuration for potassium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s1. Potassium in periodic table. From the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s1, potassium are in S block. Therefore, potassium are in period 4 and group 1. Potassium application in daily life. So basically, potassium can use in agriculture and farming. For example, fertilizers. Potassium is one of the 3 primary macronutrients required by plants for their growth and development alongside nitrogen and phosphorus. These macronutrients are needed in relatively large quantities by plants, and potassium fertilizer provide these essential nutrients. Let's learn about how potassium fertilizers can obtain from the sea. There are 4 processes. The first process is scrubbing and desliming, which is wet separation. From this process, potash ore is rinsed and agitated with a saturated salt solution to remove clays and impurities. Next, flotation and separation. From this process, amine reagent will coat KCl but not NaCl. Air bubble clings to amine and float KCl to surface, while NaCl will clear and sink to the bottom. The third process is flotation. Potassium-containing minerals rise to the surface of the flotation cells and then skim off. Lastly, final step, dewatering and sizing. A final rinse with saturated brine water, and then the finished product is dewatered, centrifuged, dry, and compact to desired particle size. There are 3 types of potassium fertilizer, which is potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, and potassium sulfate. These 3 potassium fertilizers are essential nutrients for plant growth and development, also crucial for various plant processes including enzyme activation, photosynthesis, and osmoregulation. On the other hand, these 3 potassium fertilizers giving nutrient balance, which maintain a proper nutrient balance in the soil, and for ensuring that plants receive the right ratio of macronutrients. Proper nutrient balance contributes to optimal growth and development. Lastly, disease resistant. Potassium strength cell walls can make plants more resistant to certain diseases and pests. It may reduce susceptibility to fungal infections and improve overall plant health. And that's all from me. I hope you can learn about potassium and the beneficial of potassium in our life. That's all from me. Bye.